Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1975 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. So this is part of a set. It has got different convertible cars. Let me show you if you can see the back. It's got a Camaro SS from 1969, Ford Mustang convertible, Buick Skylark, a Chevy Corvette convertible, and a Cadillac Eldorado, which you see here. So this is part of 6 cars set. I think most of these have been released before, either part of mainline or a set. But I saw this like this, so got this. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So this Eldorado convertible is everything you expect from an older Cadillac. It's long, sleek, has got white interior and it's white too. I like the paint job. The candy green looks really good. Up front you have the all chrome bumper, chrome grille, headlamps which are chrome here. On the driver's side you can see it's a long car. You have this chrome trim going from front to back. Let me see if it focus. Okay. There's Eldorado written on the back. I'm not sure what this is. This might be a turn indicator plus marker lamp kind of thing because it looks really big. It's still a 2-door, but look how long it is. See the white interior. Coming to the back. Again, you can see tail lamp and stuff, but they are not detailed. It's right there. You can see this big bumper, man. It comes out of the body so much. It's all chrome. Big boot. I wonder if people could sleep in those back then. One thing that's very interesting in the interior, if you see here, you can see the pedals down there, which you don't normally see on a lot of these cars. So yeah, small details. Make them look good. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. No major differences. The small hump shows you the hood, the roof, which is, folded down here. I like the windscreen too. It looks nice, slightly curved here. And this is how it looks from the bottom. And if you see, it says 2020 metal, so definitely it has been released before. It's a pre-run, maybe a different color. I like the wheels, they look very good, they look very classy. I've seen on a lot of different Matchbox. They look very close to what you see on those older cars. Overall, I would say it's a nice car. It's a nice casting. I like the paint. And if you're a fan of these good old long Cadillacs, you should get this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.